Hello everyone and welcome to How to Professional. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Let's open our Telegram application to access the privacy and security settings. From the main screen, go to your settings and scroll down to find the privacy and security option. Tap on it and scroll down further to find the sensitive content option. In the previous version, it was located below, but now not anymore, so let me show you how to enable the sensitive content using the web version. To start, open your browser and search for web.telegram.org in the search section. In the top left corner, click on the three dashes option and go to Settings. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the Privacy and Security option. Tap on it and scroll down to see that the sensitive content, and then click on it to disable filtering and to actually enable sensitive content on Telegram. I just wanted to update you with this information. If you found this informative video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.